Maligaya kayong gawain nyo sa kapwa-tao ninyo yan araw-araw. Just because you have the power of, press freedom. The issue here is not press freedom. The way your masters, the elite, yung may-ari niyan, and you are not even constitutionally allowed to go into the media with the pretext of yung depository. What kind of a salam of which is that? Wala technicality. The Constitution does not really allow your company, of which you are a worker of that company. You are a Filipino who was allowed to abuse our country. And you are an active participant of that. Yan ang mahirap. In the name of the Holy Grail of press freedom. Yan ang totoo talaga.
Thank you.
Sumubra kayo. Pati ako lang. You're not only throwing toilet paper, you're throwing shit at us.
Sir, good evening.
Sumubra kayo.
Sir, good evening.
Yung amo mo, anong kaso niya? You do research about people. Why don't you research about your own company you're working with? It's not to be a group of companies Lopez before. They borrowed billions from itong bangko na DBP. They never paid. You know what happened at the end of the day? Just condoned by the powers because they are the elite. Yan ang dapat kayo ang kalaban ng mga komunista, hindi kami. Inquirer. How long did you hang on to that goddamn Mylong? 50 years. Nag-expire na lang. They were continue collecting the rentals there when it was no longer there's money of the people. Tapos ang sabi, poverty and poverty, so that it's poverty. Kayo ngayon ang nakuha niya. It's not a question of press freedom. It's a question of abuse and protection by the elite of this country who hold the power. It's about time that kayong mga mayaman, putang ina, huminto kayo kaka-abuso niyo. Ginagamit na yung media pamakalin niyo kayong inquiry, yung pala nanakaw kayo. Ito naman raised from a billion taxes. Why don't you trace that up? Pagdating kay Hinares, naging 8 million na lang. Kaya sabihin ko sa BIR, ipako ako. Karami yung skeleton in the closets. It can contain almost 1,000 warehouses. Bastusan. Bastusan tayo. Pero kayong mga yaman, hindi kayo makakalamang sa amin. Wala kayong makuha sa amin. Tignan ninyo, one of these days I'll file a plunder case. Pag pinayag ko plunder case, you will go to jail without a bail. Tignan ninyo. Mga gago kayo. Yung inyong mga reporter, they will be allowed to criticize us. But you go to jail for your crime. Or crime. Pero kayo, you continue being employed. Puro Aquino yan. Trabahante dyan. Bakit kami ang curtailment of press freedom? Katagal na ninyo naglumilitse sa amin. Pakitain na nga, tinatapon ninyo sa amin. Kayong pa kayo magsabi ng curtailment of press freedom? Masyado ninyong abusuhin yan. It's a privilege in a democratic state. You have overused and abused that privilege in the guise of free freedom. Hindi nga kayo, you did not know that you were working for a government. Who owns the property? It's not a Filipino. Anong pangalan yan? Hindi na kayo nahiya. Oh, no, of course not. You know that it is being funded. Baski sabihin hindi not owner. You are funded by foreign money. Are you not ashamed of that? No. Nandyan sa newspaper. Hindi voting, hindi mo naintindihan ang corporation law mo. I'm not saying that they are investors, but their share as non-voting. But it does not say voting. The law does not say that. It is in the investment. Ano ka man? Whether your share votes or not, that is immaterial. You have the money and that yung Rappler mo was being funded by a foreigner. And you had the goal to attack people using foreign money. Yung sweldo ninyo, galing doon yan. Basahin mo ulit yung article ngayon. Today's newspaper. Ano, bakit ka magbuting? No need to vote. You can influence. Eh kung sabihin mo, I will withdraw my exposure. Oh, saan kayo makuha ng sweldo? Hindi magkausap talaga kayo. Bakit? What do you want? You know, you can always go into a horse deal. No need really to, putang ina yung kumpanya mo, pera ko yan. Although I do not have a say in the management of what Pia Ranada says, but I can cripple your company by just withdrawing my investment in your corporation.